How to go live on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you go live on Facebook. So in order to go live on Facebook, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is actually make sure to update the app to the latest version. So open up your Facebook and then you could go ahead and click on the update button. And after you're done completely updating the application, click on the open button. And if you want to go live, also make sure that your application is or that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Now then, you simply want to go ahead and tap on what's on your mind at the top of the page and locate live video. You click on the live video button and you could click on go live in order to start live. You could also go ahead and mute mic or maybe rotate, maybe add in a sticker, all that, and this sort of things you could do, and you could go live on Facebook. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.